Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beautiful You with Sana. It's been a very long time that I've uploaded a video about beauty tips. So today I have come with an amazing hair mask remedy. So let's begin with it. So for this hair mask we would require Kalonji seeds and Methi Dana powder. So I have here grounded the Methi Dana seeds into a powder, roughly grounded to like this, and Kalonji seeds. What we have to do is take a bowl, add few Methi Dana seeds to it, about a tablespoon or so, and then we add in 2 teaspoons of Methi Dana powder, and then we will let it soak in water for overnight, for about 12 hours from now. We will soak it in water, and then the next morning you will see like this kind of paste. What you will have to do is then roughly grind it in a mixer grinder, so that the Kalonji seeds are nicely grounded, and then take it in a bowl. So I have already grinded the mixture, and this is how it looks like. So then you will have to apply this amazing hair mask to your scalp, and your hair completely tips to roots, and you can see the results in a usage of 2-3 times. Your hair will get softer, smoother, and over the time your hair will start growing. If you have a problem of hair loss, this is one of the amazing hair masks that you can use for your hair, for a healthy hair growth. Apply this mask once a week at least for better results, and you will see amazing results. See the smooth texture, it makes your hair soft, supple, and gives energy, volume to your hair, and helps your hair grow. You'll get your hair, if you have hair loss problem, it will treat all your hair loss problem, and dry hair, it will treat your dry hair problem, and many hair and scalp issues. It'll reduce your dandruff, and many other benefits of this mixture. Just 2 simple ingredients, and your amazing hair mask is ready. You have to soak these seeds overnight and then grind it to a paste like this consistency. You can see the consistency should be thick, and then you apply it to your hair, leave it for about 1 or 2 hours, and then wash your hair. And you can see in the first usage itself your hair gets softer. So guys, definitely try this amazing remedy for your hair, and do let me know how it was. Leave me a comment in my comment box, and let me know what more you would like to see on my channel, or what more health and beauty tips I can get for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you. Bye.